Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. It's been a while since I made a video, but I thought today would be the perfect timing. So welcome back, and I hope you enjoy today's video. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to show you guys my stim bag, or my sensory bag. This is the Interactive Introverts Dan and Phil 2018 exclusive tote bag that you got when you did the meet and greet, because I did meet them back then, so that was really exciting, and I thought Interactive Introverts would be perfect for a stim bag. So if you don't know, I am autistic, so I really do enjoy and also profit off, well, not profit, but I really have I really get calm from stim toys and fidget toys. So I'm going to be showing you the ones I have, and I got some new ones, so I'm quite excited to show you guys, and this is the ones I have. So first off, we have my favorite one, I think, and that's this little octopus, and it's got a sad face and it's got a happy face, and it's pink and blue, and it's really nice and soft, so you can squish it. So yeah, I got this one from my girlfriend quite a while back. That's me doing impressions of the octopus. And because I really liked these and I thought they were really cute, so that's number one. Then I really like all of them, but I'm just gonna grab random ones, I think. Now this one is my least favorite because I always tend to want to plop them all at the same time, as in I want to have them all plopped in, and then this happens. So I've got one of these ones. I'm not quite sure what they're called. They're like a Poppet or something, or a Poppet. I think it's a Poppet. It's a bright yellow one, which is also not one of my favorite colors. Then I just like to do this. But sometimes I just like to squeeze it a little bit, even though it's not very good for it, but I don't really care. Or bend it, things like that. So I think this is my least favorite stim toy, but I still quite like it. Sometimes I just do that. Then next up we have this squishy ball. It's like a stress ball type thing. Also not one of my favorite ones because it takes quite a lot of hand power to squeeze all of the bubbles out. but still, when I'm feeling really stressed, I just tend to do this, and I quite enjoy it. But I like soft. I like stim toys that have sounds or that are nice and soft. So this one is not really my favorite because it's a bit sticky. This one at least makes a nice sound. And this one's nice and soft. So. Next up is the wooden blocks. So this is actually one of those puzzles, but I like to just use them for building. So I'm just gonna put them here. I have actually solved the puzzle before. I am able to do the puzzle, but I just like to build whatever I can or whatever I feel like, whatever I'm feeling, because it is blue, so if I'm feeling blue, then I just build whatever I'm feeling. If I'm feeling this color, or sometimes I'll just tap them or just play with one of them against my ring. Just tap it. So I love these wooden blocks. I do really like them. But it's actually supposed to be a puzzle that you can build into a square. It's one of those mind puzzles. Then next up we have this ploppers. It looks like this. It's got nice colors, and you just squeeze it, then it plops. So I really like this one because it makes a nice sound, and you can just, it's really small, so you can take it with you wherever you want to go. You can just pop it in your bag. And you can, it's kind of like a stress ball type thing as well. And it's not as hefty to squeeze as the stress ball. The stress ball is heftier, so I like this one. Then next we have a tangle. This is one of my favorites also, because it's really quiet. So unlike the others that are my favorites, this one is my favorite for the people around me because it's quite small, and it's, so you can fold it up like that. You can pop it in your bag, and it's really quiet, so the people around you don't really notice your fidgeting or your stimming, so it's really nice that you can just stim quietly, if you understand what I mean. Because I like to tap things or just feel or tap things together. I like noises, or I like the feel of things, or I like to turn things inside out like this, or I like the sound of things. But this one, it just goes like this, and you could just keep twisting it. So that's really nice because it just genuinely is really, really nice for the people around you because they don't realize you're stimming. And if you're nervous, it's just really, yeah, it's just cool. So that's cool. Then next we have one of my new ones, which is also a favorite. It has become a favorite of mine, and that is the all popular rainbow slug. It rattles. My family hates it. My girlfriend hates it. But I love the rattling. I think it makes an amazing sound. You don't have to do much for it to rattle. You can. And it has a nice feel to it as well, because of all the different layers. So I really like this one. That's the rainbow slug. And then last but definitely not least, this is the one I've been using most recently, is the slinky. Well, that's what we used to call them when I was a child. So this one's just purely nostalgic for me, because I used to play with these as a child so much. And we would put them down the stairs and they would just hop, hop. They would do that. And I was so happy to find one again. And it was such nostalgia. And I chose one in orange because I like the color orange. But it's also been really calming for me to just do this. And the sound has been quite nice as well. So I've been really happy just simply stimming with this one. So this is the one I've been using most recently. So yeah, those are the stim toys I got and I have in my sensory bag and stim bag. I hope, and fidget bag obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like the stim / fidget / sensory toys I have. If you have one of that's similar, or you want one that's similar, or you have questions, please don't be afraid to comment down below or go to my Instagram at disability+Yana and DM me or comment on my pictures, or comment down below here, like, subscribe, all those funny things, and I will see you in the next video.